Welcome back to Archive, where today we're diving into uncharted waters. Watch as we turn a simple sketch into a breathtaking 3D model using Midjourney AI. Get ready to redefine your design speed and creativity. Introduction. Welcome to the new era of architecture, where AI is your co-pilot. Today we explore how Midjourney AI can transform your design process, making your ideas come to life faster than ever. Step 1. Setting the scene. First, open Midjourney and prepare your initial sketch. The clarity of your starting point is crucial for AI interpretation. Think of it as setting the stage for a masterpiece. Step 2. Upload and analyze. Here's where the magic begins. Upload your sketch into Midjourney and let its powerful algorithms work their magic, analyzing and enhancing every design element. Step 3. AI-driven transformation. Watch in awe as Midjourney processes your sketch, instantly generating multiple 3D model variations. This is where AI shows its prowess in exploring endless design possibilities. Step 4. Refinement and customization. Now select a model and dive into Midjourney's tools to refine and customize your design. Ensure it aligns seamlessly with your architectural intent. Step 5. Integration with existing tools. Export your final design into software like Revit or Rhino. This seamless workflow integration is what makes AI the ultimate ally in modern architecture. Conclusion. Midjourney not only accelerates the design process, but also ignites creativity. Embrace AI to unlock innovative solutions and elevate your architectural prowess. Download link in description. If this has sparked your inspiration, subscribe to Archive for more cutting-edge techniques in AI-driven architecture. Stay ahead of the curve.